for Gabe Cruz. All right, guys, we are out here at the beautiful sunny skate park with
Noah.
And Noah today wants to learn how to do a varial kickflip. So a varial kickflip is a combination of what two tricks?
Kickflip and varial flip.
Kickflip and a pop shove it.
Pop shove it.
Yeah, and that makes a varial flip. So first, let's start out with an ollie. We'll make this very rapid. We'll do the ollie, then the pop shove it, then the kickflip, and we'll just combine them. Okay, so first show me an ollie. First try. Okay, now pop shove it. Yeah. Yeah, dang, that was good. Let me see if I can do a pop shove it as good as that. I can't. You nailed it. Okay, now kickflip. No way, first try. Who taught you all these tricks?
You.
Okay, makes sense. Gotta watch out for those primos.
Yep.
I got a question. Do you know which side is the nose and tail?
No.
Do you ever look at that?
No.
Okay, let's flip this guy around. That's just interesting to me. So this side, so yeah, it's so interesting. I think that this is your tail. Let's try. Try it that way. First try. Good. It's so interesting. When you land, it's similar to when we were doing the 50-50. All your weight's over your toes. We're gonna go back into the back seat just a little bit more. Land a little bit more on your heels. Yeah.
Like goes backwards.
Yeah, it's going backwards. Yeah, that's the way it goes. I think you might do it a little easier moving too, right?
Yeah.
Is it? Go ahead. Do however is easier for you. You go. There it is. First try. Okay, ready? Should we do back to back?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Take your time. Breathe on it. Yeah. There it is. It's amazing. Your board is like popping up and flicking like really well. Yeah, good. Okay, you got that.
Uh-huh.
You feel good on that?
Yeah.
You want to go to varial flip now?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's really important for all those people out there, before you go into the harder tricks, really make sure you master those early ones. And if you're having a really hard time, go back and work on those earlier ones. Okay, so now, varial flip steps. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
First thing is we're just gonna get and understand the foot position. So it's really very similar. Front foot about the same as your kick flip. Back foot, instead of on the kick flip, you're popping straight down. Now we're gonna add in the shove it motion, right?
Uh-huh.
So our foot's gonna be a little bit more toes off. And then all we're gonna do is just try and get it to spin. Don't even try to land, just try to get it to spin. Good, first try, got it. Okay, again, a little bit more back foot, a little bit more rotation. Good, one more just to make it 3 times. Wow, okay, now the next step is you're gonna pop it with your back foot, step off, and leave your front foot high, and then land with your front foot only, like this. Good. Just missed the board, front foot close, you got it. Good. Wow. Okay, that was too good. Okay, now from that point, you have the rotation. It's spinning close to you. You can land it with your front foot. What's left?
Back foot.
All that's left is a back foot. And the only thing you need to do is bend the back knee and put it on. Obviously, there's a mental barrier where you need to commit and all that, but I think you're like fearless, right?
Uh-huh.
He's like, yeah, I am.
Can I go for it?
Go for it, man. Yeah, good. You got it. Yeah. Wow. Okay, good. Now you've landed it with your front foot and your back foot. And now your front foot is now stepping off and your back foot is going on. Now we're gonna do this as a rotation. 5 tries of landing it with both feet. And if you don't get it in those 5 tries, we'll go 5 tries with landing it with just your front foot.
All right.
And then we'll repeat those until we get it. You're so close. You've never done this before in your whole life.
Nah.
Never.
Nah, I
No
got
way.
close.
Good. Have you ever tried it moving?
No.
Might be a little easier. Woo! Okay, I've lost count of the tries. Was that 3?
That's 3.
Okay, 2 more. Yeah. For Gabe Cruz. Yeah. Okay, now only with the front foot land.
All right.
We're gonna go back to that practice step. Yeah, good. That's 2. Let's do 3 more. Yeah, very good. That looks better than when you try to land it. Good. Okay, good. Now, land on it with both feet.
All right.
If you get it right here in the next 5 tries, I'll give you a new board. Try 1. Ooh, try 2. Oh, try 3. You got it, you got it. 2 more. Wow, try 4. If you put your front foot on like the practice try and do what you just did, you will land. Last try. Oh! Okay, now 5 more practice steps.
Do I do back foot now?
I think the back foot kind of trains you into an incorrect thing because you want to always have your front foot above the board like this. So really, if you just focus on that and then just focus on bending, but where I want to avoid is on the front foot, you can begin flicking down like this, and it can give a bad habit. Whereas the front foot leaving up is not a bad habit. You understand? So I would recommend not doing back foot. Yeah, like that is so close. Yeah, so close. It's amazing to me that you're able to flip the board that fast underneath you. Normally it would be like, normally people would struggle with that more, but you got it. You're really good. Yeah.
How many more?
1 more. I lost count. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now, I mean, honestly, at this point, I feel like I just say, okay, you got it. I'm gonna film some slow-mo. I'm gonna see if there's anything I can help you with.
All right.
But you just do your thing. He learned all his tricks from my videos on the internet, so he's very well versed at just like taking something, learning it on his own, and just pushing through. That's why skateboarding is good. It teaches valuable lessons. Oh my word! Wow. Okay, you want to see it?
Yeah.
Maybe this will help. Okay, this is why I wanted to avoid keeping your front foot off. Look at that. You perfectly, it's spinning, your feet are up. You can perfectly land it and your front foot goes to the ground. It's a safety foot. Do you want me to hold your hand so you're gonna make sure you're not fall? Yeah, get you over the fear. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in the full danger zone. The board's like straight to my shins. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! There you go! Okay, now there's no difference. Now just land it. There you go. Okay, you got that front foot. That front foot wants to go to the ground again. Yeah, there you go. That was good because your front foot landed on the board. Oh my word! Okay, you got this. You got this. Are you scared?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause I feel like I'm gonna fall.
Why? How? Land primo? Okay, you're not gonna fall. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's a possibility. Okay, watch this. Watch this. This is where it turns into a mental battle. So you pop it, you flick it. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, how good does that look?
Good.
Doesn't it look good?
Mhm.
So your board is spinning. It's right underneath you. Both your feet are up. Your knees are bent. Everything's looking good. Just landing gear down. Just gotta build that confidence. You know what sometimes helps me? To fall. I don't want you to fall, but sometimes when I fall, I go, that's the worst case scenario. You probably fell a lot learning a kickflip. Okay.
Yeah, I rolled my ankle.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, well don't roll your ankle. Knock on wood. Okay, just because we said that, we're going back. Okay, ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there you go. It is so good. Okay, I think you got it. You just got it. You're pushing through that mental barrier. Yeah. Wow, what the heck? Better Varial flips than me. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. You know what's happening? Your back foot. You're scared. Yeah. Okay, before you pop, which foot are you looking at? Back foot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this time, focus on the front foot. Just focus on the front foot landing on the board. Good, that was better. You got it? You want me to hold your hands?
Oh, I got it.
You got it, you got it. Oh, was it? Oh, was it? Okay, up there, up high. Boom! That was it. Okay, now you got it. Yeah. Yeah, you got it. Oh! Okay, you want to see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, pop, flick, boom, perfect. Only thing you got to do,
My front foot.
your front foot, that's right, it's exactly right. But look at how close you are. You 100% got that. This is where it's all a mental. It's just through a mental barrier. You got to push through the fear of landing it. Wow!
I'm right there.
You are right there. Whoa! You got it. It's that front foot. You got to break that habit. Wow! Okay, put that front foot on there. No matter what happens, no matter what's going on with that board, put that front foot on there. Whoa! Wow! Whoa! No! No! So good! You want to watch it?
Yeah.
Boom! First try! That was awesome. Okay, run it back. You know what we say now?
First try.
Yep. And also, 2 to make it true.
2 to make it true.
Whoa! See, that whole time you were scared? That's not scary, right? I know. Keep going. You got it. You got it. Whoa! Look at that! Okay, that was legendary. That was awesome. Okay, very well done. We're proud of you.
Thank you.
You did a good job. All right, so for everybody out there learning how to ride a skateboard, I want you to understand you can learn anything if you just learn the steps, the earlier steps, and then build it up. And if you're up here on the step and you're having a really hard time, go back to the earlier steps and do them all again, and then just go back and forth between these. And through the repetition, you will push through it. Eventually, there will be a mental barrier where you're like, everything is working, my feet are above the board, and it's looking good. But you have to push through that fear factor of, I'm gonna put both feet on and land. Okay, so that was really, really well done. Hopefully you're gonna inspire thousands of people out there to do their varial flip. So if you guys land it, shout it out to Noah, leave it in the comments below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.